Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to take two of the little waste baskets from Dollar Tree and some red and green paint. What we're going to do is transform them into giant gumdrops for my landscaping. I'm doing like a giant candy, like Candyland theme in front of my home for Christmas. So I just take a sponge. I actually got this great paint sponge at Dollar General and some red acrylic paint, and I'm going all over. I chose the white trash baskets because I thought they would be easiest to paint, and I just sponged that all over, including the bottom. They have the perfect gumdrop shape. I'm going to do one in red and one in green. If you wanted to do more for your landscaping, that would be great too. For the green, I'm just using a Christmas green acrylic, and I thought I would just do Christmas colors for mine and to make it kind of traditional. So I just sponge all over. As you can see the sponging on there, it's great because it gives you that texture like a gumdrop has, which I was going for, but we're also going to add some more to it to make it look even more like a gumdrop. Now, the green one covered in one coat. The red one definitely required a second coat to get good coverage. You know, painting things red, it does take a little bit more paint sometimes. So I just went over my red one with a second coat. Now it's time to add the sugar. For the sugar, I'm actually using the faux snow from the Dollar Tree. I thought that would be cute and give me a very similar vibe. So what I'm going to do is sponge all over, just doing kind of one section at a time with some Mod Podge onto the gumdrop, and then sprinkle the snow all over. The snow is like a mixture of like glittery snow, and I think that looks really cute. You could also use maybe Epsom salt or something like that. This is a little bit more translucent, which I thought would be more of like a gumdrop. So I just do a section at a time. Definitely put something down. It's going to get a little messy underneath there when you're sprinkling it all on. But I'm just using the little stencil dauber from the Dollar Tree for this to sponge this on. And the reason I wanted to sponge everything on this project is to give it that great texture that a gumdrop has. So again, I just cover the top, add more of the faux snow, and it turned out so cute. I'm not going to anchor these to the ground or anything. I'm just going to sit them on my front porch for giant gumdrops. I also made some giant like lollipops and candy suckers for my yard for the Candyland theme, and these definitely go really well with that. So the red one, I'm going to do the same thing. I just sponge on some Mod Podge, cover it with some faux snow to give me that beautiful sugar look. I love how these turned out. I hope you do too. If you would like more Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.